Before announcing the schedule of elections, I would like to present before you a brief PPT which will entail the details of these coming elections. The festival of elections, our pride, is going to be held in the state of Assam, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, and the Union Territory of Puducherry. The total electors are 17.4 crores, and the assembly constituencies are 824. The number of polling stations is roughly 2.19 lakhs, and the electoral machinery would consist of roughly 25 lakh personnel. To give you an overview, the end of term of Assam Assembly is on 20th of May, Kerala 23rd of May, Puducherry 15th of June, Tamil Nadu 10th of May, and West Bengal 7th of May. To give you a little overview of the electors, Assam, as per the final list, would be roughly 2.5 crores, Kerala 2.7 crores, Puducherry 9.44 lakhs, Tamil Nadu 5.67 crores, and West Bengal, the final list on 20th February comprises of 6.44 crores, and the learned judges, after their adjudication, whatever supplementary list comes, they shall be added. To give you a feel of the category of our electors, we have more than 100 years of age centenarians in Assam, Kerala, even Puducherry, Tamil Nadu, and West Bengal. The 85 plus years of age electors are also good in number. Our Divyang Bhai and Bhai Behan, the first time electors, the electors from 20 to 29 years of age, and service electors. These are statistics which will be circulated to you. A total number of 2.18 lakh polling stations shall be set up. Majority of them will be in rural areas. Average per elector is between 750 to 850, less than 900 in any case. The model polling stations will be set up in all the states and UTs, and there will be specially women-managed polling stations. Webcasting shall be 100% in all the polling stations, and there will be Divyang brothers and sisters managed polling stations as well. The electoral exercise in India is one of the largest and most unique exercise in the world. For example, in Assam, the polling teams undertake arduous journey of 50 to 60 kilometers from Majuli via ferry and road, cross Brahmaputra River, and finally reach the remote Dhanegana polling station where 248 electors are there, and they reach there by tractor in the end. Similarly, in Kerala, Edamalgudi has around 693 electors, a tribal area of Idukki district, where the polling officials reach by completing 30 kilometers of journey through rugged off-road terrain by specified vehicles, and followed by 8-kilometer trek by foot. Similarly, in Assam, West Bengal, in Alipurduar district, polling teams trek through the Buxa Tiger Reserve Hills to reach the polling booths of 759 electors. And similarly, in Tamil Nadu, Varusanad Hills, in Theni district, polling officers travel 3 hours across difficult terrain to reach 5 electors.